My name is Dr. Joshua Hartzell, and we're here at Delta 9 Technologies, and we want to show you our air compressor, which is a California Air Tools air compressor. And the reason that's special is because it's an oilless compressor, which means that you will not run the risk of contaminating your product with oils. It's a diaphragm pump, and it controls all of our pneumatic actuators out of our computer controls, which are all air controlled as opposed to electrically controlled, which could cause a spark and be potentially dangerous in a Class 1, Division 1 environment.